I am here in LA Comic Con. First time being in LA Comic Con, covering it. And I have a challenge today. So I got my cool little press pass. So I'm going to show you everything about LA Comic Con, what there is to do. But at the same time, I'm also going to practice using both the Fuji X-M5 as well as the Fuji X-E5 for a lot of shots. So we're going to go around, cover all that. Hopefully this will be fun and you'll enjoy it. Here's day one of LA Comic Con. So I'm here at LA Comic Con and definitely much smaller than what I'm typically used to. Got my press badge, but this is definitely not like Anime Expo at all, size-wise. Like, look at the open space around. At Anime Expo, you could not walk around at all here. But right now, yeah, like it's pretty open, to be quite honest, which I can't complain about. The things you see at Anime Expo, not Anime Expo, at LA Comic Con. I don't know where I am anymore. There's a bunch of people lined up here. I wonder why. Probably to buy stuff. Really cool. The mind is being empty though because it is first day. All things considered, I'm sure the rest of the weekend is going to get really packed. Because like, normally out here, it's like super packed. Cosplayers, photographers doing their thing. But check this out. There's like nobody out here right now. So, yeah. I guess we'll see how the rest of the weekend comes, but let's take a quick break and we'll go to the other side.
Anytime that like
This is the anime section. Akiba Station is the first time they do like a full like anime-centric area. We'll see how it competes, especially compared to something like, oh my god. That is epic. Oh my god, that is epic. Alright, let's go. I do not want to get my face sucked up by that guy. So you got like a nice artist alley here, which is really cool. Oh, it's definitely busy. Let's be real for a second. Artist alleys will always be artist alleys. Like, it's crowded, booths are popping, and I can't walk through. I think no matter how big or how small a con is, that's just exactly how it's going to be. Perfect. That's fine. Oh, here's like the gaming section. Okay. Oh, one day I want a tower. One day. One day I will get a tower. Okay, so all the autographs are literally down here. Very cool. There's a full-on ramen shop. Do you want ramen? And not just any ramen. Marashon ramen. So there's a whole horror section this time. Let's see what's in the horror section. There's like a whole haunted house here. Problem is I get punchy. Well, there's like a... I specifically don't want to go in there because I don't want my lasers to be messed up my sensor. Just saying.